Right, well, I'm just cutting up some kindling, ready for the fire, and when they sell you it in the bags these days, it's great big pieces. They do that to make sure you go through the bag dead quick. So what I do is I cut it up just like they do on the bushcraft channels, just using my bushcraft knife. It's a survivor knife, and all you do, it's called battening. I've just done a whole bag here. So all we do is you put your knife on top of the piece of wood, the offending piece of wood, just batten it down like that, and I just make it into smaller pieces, and that way you get a better fire going quicker, and your bag of kindling lasts you a lot longer. There we go. Just break it into smaller pieces. That easy. Right. It's got to be time for a break. I'm going to have a brew, but I'm not. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not going to have a cigarette. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to vape, and I've got something new to try out, so let's go and look at it. I've got my brew going, and oh, very nice it is, cappuccino. But yeah, no cigarette for me. It's been a couple of months now, and I'm going to try out a new vaping thing that I've bought. See what you think. It's another. Hi there, back again. Another vaping one. It's going well. I'm cutting the fags right down now, and this week we've got another one to show you. It's another disposable pod. I'm not being sponsored for any of this. It's not a review. It's just something I've bought, and I'm telling you what I think of it, and just showing you how it works and that. So this is an Elfbar. See if you can see that in this. Elfbar 600 disposable pod. And this flavour is strawberry banana, and it's the usual 20 milligram per milliliter. You've got the usual scratch and sniff on the side, as I call it, so you can find out if it's a genuine product. I'm curious to try this one. It's strawberry banana. That sounds like it might be quite interesting. Anyway, let's open up this Elfbar 600 disposable pod and see what it's all about. So you got your cardboard packaging, that is recyclable. Make sure you do, don't just throw it on the floor outside. And it comes in the usual plastic, cellophane sort of protective pouch, packaging, whatever you want to call it. So slide it out. There's an instruction manual. I'm not going to look at that. That's recyclable as well though, so that can go in the recycling with the box. That unfortunately isn't, I don't think. So there's a device. Nice. Quite a common shape for these things, but Elfbar is supposed to be a really good make. So we'll take the silicone cover off the bottom. That'll be hiding the air intake that's at the bottom. And then we've got another silicone stopper at the top, and that's for the mouthpiece. And I'm sure that's probably recyclable in the plastic, so we'll sort that out. So there it is. The Elfbar strawberry banana. There's no charging port. These are not rechargeable. It's just a one-use thing. Once it's done, it goes in the bin. It says it's the Elfbar 600. I presume that stands for 600 puff, so that would be great for the LGBTQVWXYZ plus 1 or 2 or 3, I don't know, community. But I hope they're happy. Probably they won't be. So there we go. Strawberry banana, 2%. There's no buttons. There's no settings. It's drawer activated. So let's give it a go and see what it tastes like. My God. It's like sweeties. It's quite nice, actually. Yeah, you first get the strawberry, and then there's like a creaminess of the banana afterwards. It's a really nice combo, that. It's very nice. Very soft. Very soft drawer. The drawer is very slightly tight, and there's no way of adjusting the airflow, so the drawer is what it is, but it's okay. It's not too tight. It's not wide open. It's not quite as open as I'd like it, but it's a nice device. So that'd be great to take out with you to fit in your pocket. It might last you a day or two. It depends how heavy you are at using it. I don't think you get more than a day with it. These things normally cost about £5 or £6. I got this in the sale for £3.50 from 88 Vape. They're not sponsoring me, like I say. That's just where I get all my supplies from, for my vaping needs. The reason I use them is the British, English company, and the prices are always great. If you want to vape and save yourself money, have a look at 88 Vape. I'll leave my link in the description or the comments. If you use that, you get 10% off. It helps me out and it helps you out. So there you go. Elfbar 600 strawberry banana. Very good. Let's give it a whirl.